Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Ingredients. Today let's cook steak salad by using fresh lettuce from the garden. And I already made a video tutorial how to grow lettuce and I narrated that video in Bahasa Indonesia. So if you are interested, you can watch that video. I put the link on the description below. And as usual, let's harvest some fresh ingredients. This is fresh rosemary and fresh thyme. We're going to use it to cook the steak. And then some oregano. I'm going to use it for seasoning the croutons, some fresh mint, and of course some fresh lettuce. Remove the roots and any withered leaves. Wash it cleanly and rinse it on a strainer, then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now, before we cook the steak, make sure we put it outside the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the meat warm up at room temperature. By the way, I'm using dried aged ribeye that I bought from a local meat shop at Sukabumi, West Java, Indonesia. They use local meat, so as you can see the marbling is not very good, but the taste is amazing. Preheat the griddle first before we cook the steak. When it starts to smoke, pour a generous amount of cooking oil. We're going to season it with generous amount of salt and black pepper on both sides. Then put it on a hot griddle. Cook it for 45 to 60 seconds, then rotate it so it will have those beautiful cross-hatch marks. Cook it for another 45 to 60 seconds, then flip it. Cook it for another 3 to 8 minutes depending on how you like your steak, medium, medium well or well done. At this stage, add butter, rosemary, thyme and garlic. Tilt the pan, then baste your steak. Basting will make your steak cook evenly and make it more juicy and delicious from the butter and the herbs. I want to cook the steak until medium rare, so when it rests, the steak will continue cooking to medium. And we still get that beautiful pink in the middle when we slice it. Let the steak rest for 10 to 15 minutes before we slice it. It takes longer to rest because we're making salad today. If the steak is too hot, it will wither the vegetables. There's still a lot of grease left on the griddle, and I think the best way not to waste it by making croutons on the same pan. I'm just using regular baguette, cook it on the same pan, then season it with salt and black pepper. By the way guys, just want to tell you, if you're new here, I also made lots of other cooking videos and urban farming videos. If you're interested, you can check it out. I put the link on the description below. And if you like this video, please help me by subscribing and hit the like button. It really motivates me to keep making videos like this. While we wait until the croutons are crispy, let's chop some fresh oregano. We can add the oregano while we cook the croutons or later when it's done. But today I want to add it later. Put all the croutons in a bowl. Add the chopped oregano and optional drizzle it with more olive oil. And why not have a taste or maybe two, just to make sure it tastes delicious. And yes, I think it needs more black pepper. For the salad dressing, let's make vinaigrette dressing. First, cut half a lime, or you can use lemon if you like it. Pour about 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Squeeze that lime into a jar, and of course, if it is too sour, we can add more olive oil to balance it. Then season it with salt and black pepper and give it a good shake. I want to make a poached egg for extra topping, so when we cut it, all the yolk will run down and season the salad even better. On simmering hot water, add lime juice or any vinegar will work. Make a little whirlpool and then add one egg in the middle. Acidity will help the egg white to firm up in the middle so it will not spread everywhere. Oh yeah, don't forget to season it with salt. Optionally, we can remove an excess egg white. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Take it out, then place it on a paper towel. Let it rest while we prepare the rest of the vegetables. 1 tomato or tomato, depend where you live. Cut it into bite size. Mint, we're going only use the leaves. Remove it from the stem, then slice it. We're going to use it later for garnish in the end. Take out the lettuce from the fridge. Cut the roots, then remove the stem from the leaves manually. Actually, we can cut it with a knife, but I prefer to remove it manually like this, so I can make sure all the leaves are clean from any dirt and they are in the same size. Now add the tomato, pour the vinaigrette dressing, but not all of it. We're going to use it again later. Mixing it with your hand or fork and spoon will work just fine. And I want to mix half the croutons with the salad, so we will get that soggy but delicious croutons and also crispy croutons. The steak has already rested and cooled down a little, and then we're going to slice it. By the way, don't waste that juice from the steak, pour it into the salad so the salad will get more delicious beefy flavor. Slice the steak evenly like this, and look at that beautiful color, juicy and pink in the middle. Now add the steak on top of the salad, add the poached egg, all the crispy croutons, pour the rest of the vinaigrette dressing, and garnish it with sliced mint. And then enjoy it or share it with your family or friends. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel because it really means a lot to me. Thank you and I see you next time.